YouTube Analytics Basics empower creators to convert raw data into actionable insights. By mastering essential metrics, you can enhance channel growth and audience engagement. Understanding these tools is crucial for optimizing content strategy, ensuring your channel stands out in the vast digital landscape. YouTube Analytics is crucial due to its massive scale, with over 6 billion hours watched monthly. It enables strategic optimization by revealing viewer demographics and content performance. Understanding these growth metrics allows for data-driven decisions, optimizing content strategy, audience growth, and revenue potential. Without analytics, content creation lacks direction. With it, success is data-backed. Access YouTube Analytics via YouTube Studio on desktop by navigating to studio.youtube.com, clicking the Analytics icon, and exploring tabs like Overview, Reach, Engagement, and Audience. On mobile, open the YouTube Studio app, tap the Analytics tab, and swipe through key metrics and performance insights. Key metrics like impressions and click-through rate are crucial for understanding how often thumbnails are shown and clicked, indicating content discoverability. Watch time, the total minutes viewers spend, drives algorithm recommendations and impacts search rankings. Audience retention, the percentage of video watched, reveals engagement quality, showing drop-off points and identifying compelling moments. Impressions represent how often your video thumbnail appears on YouTube, including search results and suggested videos. Click-through rate, CTR, measures the percentage of impressions that turn into views. A healthy click-through rate is 4 to 6%, with top videos exceeding 10%. Low impressions but high. Click-through rate suggests strong thumbnails but poor discoverability, while high impressions with low click-through rate indicate a need for thumbnail or title optimization. Watch time is crucial for YouTube's algorithm, prioritizing it over other metrics. Videos with higher watch time rank twice as well in search and suggestions. The first 48 hours are critical for long-term performance. Longer videos watched halfway contribute more than shorter ones fully watched, highlighting the value of engaging content. Audience retention graphs are crucial for understanding viewer behavior. Steep drops indicate boring intros or misleading hooks, while rewatch sections highlight valuable or confusing moments. Gradual declines suggest natural attention span decreases. Use this data to enhance video hooks, cut or reorder sections with major drops, replicate successful formats, and adjust pacing and transitions for better engagement. Understanding your audience demographics is crucial. Identify primary age groups to tailor content complexity and cultural touchpoints. Geographic insights optimize upload timing and language choices. Gender breakdowns influence content approach and marketing strategies. For instance, if 70% of your audience is 18 to 34 from the United States, focus on trending topics and cultural references relevant to young American adults. Analyze traffic sources to enhance viewership. Optimize YouTube search by refining titles, descriptions, and tags with target keywords. For suggested videos, create content akin to popular niche videos. Leverage external sources by promoting on social media, blogs, and embedding on websites. Strengthen browse features by building subscriber loyalty for homepage recommendations. Likes enhance visibility and act as social proof. Comments are the strongest engagement signal, fostering community interaction. Shares expand reach, introducing content to new audiences. Boost engagement by asking questions, creating polls, and encouraging viewers to share experiences in comments. Estimated revenue encompasses earnings from ads, memberships, Super Chat, and YouTube Premium, updated daily. Revenue per Mila reflects revenue per 1,000 views post-YouTube cut, typically $3 to $10. Playback-based cost per Mila is the advertiser's cost per 1,000 impressions pre-YouTube share, with higher rates in finance and tech. Optimize by creating longer videos, targeting high cost per Mila topics, and diversifying income. Utilize advanced analytics by applying filters and exports to gain deeper insights. Compare performance over various date ranges, and filter by content type to distinguish between shorts and long-form videos. Segment data by geography and device for targeted insights. Export data for custom visualizations, enabling sophisticated analysis of mobile performance, regional content resonance, and the impact of shorts on channel growth. Access the Overview tab for headline metrics, then explore reach, engagement, and audience for detailed insights. Sort videos by views or engagement to identify top performers. Export data for analysis. Compile a Google Sheets dashboard to track weekly growth in subscribers, views, and revenue. Regular reporting helps spot trends and make informed content decisions. /B test thumbnails and titles to boost click-through rate. Monitor changes over 48 hours to find the best combinations. Analyze retention graphs to determine optimal video length. Adjust if viewers drop off early. Use the Audience tab to schedule uploads before peak activity. Compare shorts and long-form content to align with audience preferences while ensuring content variety. YouTube Analytics is your channel's GPS, guiding decisions from content creation to audience engagement. Regularly review data, test hypotheses, and adapt strategies based on viewer behavior. Open YouTube Studio, explore metrics, and implement one improvement this week. Transform data into strategy and unlock your channel's potential.